In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update My Talking Angela app. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app and also get the latest features. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to update My Talking Angela app, then you need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store. Then search for My Angela, and you can see here is the app. So I'll tap on it, and you can see we have an update that is available. This means I've been using an outdated version of My Talking Angela app that might not have the latest features, and also it might contain bugs. So by updating this, you will be able to fix all that. So if I tap on update, now this will go ahead and download the latest version of My Talking Angela app and then install it on my smartphone. Now at this point, you'll have the latest version of this app. You can proceed and now start playing the latest version of Angela app that has the latest features and also without bugs or any lag. So that's how you can get the latest version of My Talking Angela app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.